What is going on, you guys? My name's X51 Hacking. Welcome back to Cluster Truck. I am glad to be playing this game again. Literally, I'm glad to be playing this game again because I love Cluster Truck. And I'm sure any of you guys that have ever played this game also love Cluster Truck. So I'm here with Anthony, my little brother. Get up. You got a truck? Oh.
Right.
Are you talking? Ow! Oh, you dropped it. Ow! Well, let's get right into this gameplay here. Let's get my face in the corner. So let's jump right into this game. Before we start, I want to say thank you to all of the people who are subscribed to me right now. I mean, it is kind of complicated to do this kind of YouTube stuff, and the sound kind of got cut off during the recording stuff, so you won't be hearing anything. I mean, I'm not hearing anything either. I'm just putting the headphones on so I can look more cool. But here we go. We're gonna play some Cluster Truck. I still want to thank you guys so much. The little bit of subscribers that I have and a little bit of feedback. So, but like Cluster Truck, I've had a series of it already. I think this is number 3, and the little bit of support that I've had, I want to thank all of you wonderful people. So, here's the game. Continue a new game. We're going to start a new game. Shut up. We're going to start a new game because I want to be able to I want to start over. So, like, because I don't want to continue and then leave suspense. So, let's do this. Level 1, we're going to try this again. There we go. Hiya! Hey, buddy, don't bring my cup up here. Don't. You just threw it at me. Stop. What are you doing? You're trying to mess me up? See? First try. Would you stop? Quit it. Don't. What's so funny? Quit. Oh, shit. Fuck it! Go. Go. What are you doing? Don't hit me with a sword. You just made me fail. You just made me fail. Okay. Stop hitting me, you little shit. Bones. We are the best at this game. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Damn it. We're doing well. It sucks because you gotta keep moving trucks, and it's not like any other kind of game or anything. I love this game. I love this game. If any of you guys don't, then tell me to fuck off, but we're doing good. We just got to the goal that quick. We're doing great. Level 8. Go, 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 go! Go. Watch the hammer. Watch the hammer. Go. Go. Okay, okay. Yes, we're good. We're good. Go! There are trucks coming. I remember this level. I hate it. We have to stay. Alright, here we go. Stay on one truck. God damn it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, we just gotta wait for one truck. We gotta wait for one truck. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, alright, alright. There were no more trucks to get onto. We'll try this again. Jump, jump, jump. Fuck it. Go, 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 go. Jump up, jump. Get the car. I feel it in my bones. This is it. Why would you run into the truck? Walk at that. You want to try to kill me? Of course you do. I see it. We did it! Level 14. Okay, this is some shit. Go. Jump. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. No, 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 no! Fuck. Me. In the butt cheeks. No! Jump. No, watch the board. Watch the board. Jump. Stay down here. We can stay down here. This is cheating, but whatever. Stay down here. Stay down here. I'm such a boss. Stay down here. Stay. Oh, 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 oh! We did it. 18. We got this. I don't know why I'm not excited, but we'll do this. I got the hiccups. Oh, this is the moving one. There we go. There we go. Feel the breeze. Level 23, I believe right at this level we gave up last time. Not holding any chargers. Don't put me in jail. Jump. 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 What the fuck? You need to... This is the one. This is the one, people. This is the one. Turn around here. Watch out, watch out. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You racist. You're gonna pick on the fat white kid, huh? We made it anyway. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. There's more? Oh god, oh god. This is where we left off last time. Yes! Yes, there's only a few blocks. There's only a few blocks. We can go, 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 we can go. We can. Yes! We did it! 24, level 24. This is, fuck. This is the level we couldn't get past last time. Jump. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Fuck it! Go. Jump through there. Let! Jump. Jump. What the hell was that? Go! Fuck! Dude, this... There we go. What just happened? What the fuck? Cousin? I wonder if you can make your own levels in these. Go. 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 You just need to go. Jump. Jump. That counts? I'm gonna leave this episode of Cluster Truck here. I'm gonna leave this episode of Cluster Truck here. I don't like this game anymore. I really don't. I really don't. This is insane. This is insane. Insane. More insane. This game gets on my nerves so much. What are you getting at? I'm sorry I wasn't too excited for this video. I've just had a horrible day at school. Don't ask. Or you can ask, actually. I just was really lonely today. And I didn't really get to hang out with my friends too much. And whatever. So... I'm just tired, whatever, so... I didn't actually feel like recording, but I feel pretty happy now that I recorded. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, pick up your belt. your hammer and beat the hell out of that like button. But take your finger and tap that subscribe button. And I will see all of you other people in the next video. My name is X1 Hacking. Peace out.